The microbiome is the canary in the coal mine. Have you ever heard of that phrase? It's like they would used to put a canary, a little bird, into the coal mine, and then if the canary died, they knew it wasn't safe for miners to be there. So think about it this way with your microbes. The average human cell is going to divide once every 24 hours to 7 days. The microbiome, those little microbes are dividing every 40 minutes to 2 hours. So they're far more responsive to the environment than your cells are. So when they start dying, they die first, and they tell us, hey, there's something wrong. We need to fix this so that we don't kill the cells that are keeping us alive.